Alright, so this is our maybe 5th day in America, and got a bunch of mixed feelings because it's kind of a culture shock coming back to your own country after living in Asia for I don't know how long, 3 years. But today we're gonna hit up the beach and see the beautiful coast, so let's go enjoy that. Look who it is. What it do, Alex?
Not a whole lot.
I'm just filming you.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I'll make a vlog later.
It's a big fucking line.
I know. Off to the beach.
When we were kids, we hand-painted strawberries on a swing. Every moment was so precious. Then I'm still kicking, I'm daydreaming on a strawberry swing. The entire earth is frightened. All the world is at its end. Just in case an atom bomb comes falling on my lawn, I should say, and you should hear, I've loved the good times here. I've loved our good times here. Say hello, then say farewell to the places you know. We're all mortals, aren't we?
How was the beach, Alex?
It was good.
Hell yeah. How was the beach, Dane?
It's good.
After this, it was time to head up north into Escondido.
See, I've been catching you staring, be careful that I don't tap, but your food be doing what I want, now I should too.
Look how big this is. Stand up my nose. Now I am.
What's my size?
Vlogging.
Mortals, aren't we? Any moment this could go. Cry, cry, cry. Even though that won't change a thing. But you should.
We made it to my stepbrother's house. Check it out. Crazy views. Beautiful. I really miss this place. Ooh, dinner is served. Right now, that's me. Going, got some delicious watermelon.
Yeah, boy.
Goodness. It is too damn hot.
That won't change a thing. But you should know, you should hear that I have loved the good times here. And I will miss our good times here. Spaceships are lifting off of a dying world. Millions are left behind while the sky burns. There wasn't room for you and I, only you. Goodbye, goodbye. Now the sky could be blue. I don't mind. Without you it's a waste of time. Could be blue. I don't mind. Without you it's a waste of time.
Alright, we just finished our little hike by the lake. We walked Buster, good old dog. Now we're heading back. And it's like 100, it's probably 100 degrees out. Just vlogging. What's up? There's my stepbrother. Alex Andy Mules. As the sun set, we visited one last place before we called it a night. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.